Are you a busy mom wondering how you can make $1,000 a week in your spare time? Today, I'm going to show you how thousands of moms are doing just that using digital marketing with no crazy schedule. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crazy ideas of how you can boost your income from home. So my name is Phoebe and I'm a digital marketer, and I help corporate, hardworking moms who are living paycheck to paycheck find alternative ways of making money online. For busy moms, digital marketing is the perfect way to make passive income online without giving up much of your family time. So let's break it down. The first way to start is by finding your niche. And by finding a niche, it's that you find something that you absolutely love and it would be easy for you to promote. But if you have no idea of what to start and you have no idea what your niche is, I suggest you start by promoting an e-learning course. So what's great about an e-learning course is that it's completely done for you. And if you choose an e-learning course that has master resale rights, you do not have to actually develop the course. It's already done for you, and you are able to resell the course at 100% for all of the profits, because the course would be given to you with master resale rights. So now that you have the perfect product, it's time to start marketing. And the marketing is done on a platform like YouTube. You use social media to market your business, to market your product, and attract customers to you that want what it is that you have. So by posting your product on social media and using just 2 to 3 hours a day, you would easily attract customers to your business. And if your product is a high ticket product, meaning you can sell just one product for $900 to $1,000, you would have easily made your $1,000 in just 1 week. Repeated, it's going to make you passive income continuously online. Now, if you're serious about starting to make money online, I need you to head to my website right now for a step-by-step guide on how you can generate a passive income online and sustain it, because you will be given all of the tools to make this work and start raking in those thousands of dollars per week. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, because I will be sharing more ways that you can make passive income online, managing your busy life and your busy schedule around your family while making that $1,000 a week.